Think of anything. Oh, 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 oh. Think of anything. Oh.
I've got something that keeps you unsure, one that'll push the gas straight to the floor. No tight that's right, that'll always nod along, right along. What would happen if you walk through the door? One that is open to your only cure. Don't stop it now, move holding down around, 'cause here's what's in store. Your mind is floating to nowhere. And you can think of anything.
Think of anything.
Finding more, let's search us now and break it down till I'm yours. I am yours. Tides are pushing us away from the shore, out to the ocean without any oars. Don't need them now, we're drifting out away, far away. Your mind is floating to nowhere. And you can think of anything.
Think of anything. Think of anything. Oh, oh, oh. Think of anything. Oh, oh, oh. Think of anything.
Sky's the only limit that is set in stone. Float a million miles till we're all alone. High's the only feeling that will let me know, 'cause you can think of anything.
Think of anything.